Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to iron pants. First, ensure your ironing board is stable and your iron is filled with water. Always check the care label on your pants to set the correct temperature, usually medium to high for cotton. Empty all pockets and turn your pants inside out if they are a dark color to avoid creating a shiny appearance. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth finish. Now let's tackle the pockets and waistband. Pull each pocket out and lay it flat on the ironing board, pressing it thoroughly. Then, place the waistband over the narrow end of the board, working your way around. Iron from the inside towards the outside to prevent new creases. If your pants have pleats, carefully press them flat, ensuring they fall correctly. Next, we move to the pant legs. Lay one leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inner and outer seams to create a sharp crease. Begin ironing from the top of the leg, near the crotch, and work your way down to the hem. Use steam generously for any stubborn wrinkles. Once one leg is perfectly pressed, repeat the exact same steps for the other leg, ensuring both are equally smooth. For the final touches, immediately hang your freshly ironed pants on a hanger to prevent new wrinkles from forming. Allow them to cool completely before wearing or putting them away in your closet. This helps set the fabric and maintain that crisp, pressed look. And speaking of great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic offers you won't want to miss. Happy ironing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.